Hi, this is Eugene Blanchard, and we're going to talk about making a 4-wire trailer harness tester. Really inexpensive. It's going to cost about maybe 50 cents at the most for parts. The 4-wire pinouts are, we have the pin is white, that's the color of the wire, it's ground. The brown wire and pin are the tail lights. The yellow wire is the left turn signal, and the green wire is the right turn signal. I was going to buy a tester. They're only like $8 or $9, pretty inexpensive. And I thought, they're pretty simple to build. I have a bunch of LEDs. Here's some LEDs. Just needed 3. I had them floating around, so I figured I'll get it. And a 1K resistor. A 1K resistor, the color code is brown, black, red. And that. So on an LED, when you look at it, and this is looking at it at an angle like this, the longer lead is positive and the shorter lead is negative. The schematic symbol is a diode with lines out of it, so that's the positive and negative. So to make a nice little simple trailer hitch tester for 4-wire, you have a ground, that's the pin. The brown is the tail lights, the yellow wire is the left turn, green is the right turn. And you orientate your LEDs like this. I did a really simple one. I just have one resistor here, works fine. You can have individual resistors if you want, but this one seems to work fine, as we'll see. And then I just wired it up like this, right? So there's the 3 LEDs, the positive coming up here, the long lead. The resistor is over here, and then I bent it over so that way I can get the leads going up. Right. I put little hooks in them so that they fit in the pinholes. It works fine. And that easy to do. These are inexpensive. They're you can buy them in bulk. They're like 5 cents or 10 cents. Resistors the same thing, 5 cents. So this is probably 50 cents worth of parts at the most. So I got my little tester built up here. That's just the using some LEDs and that. So I got 3 LEDs and a resistor. So this should be my right turn signal, left turn signal, and tail lights. Alright, so I'll go turn on the emergency flashers. That should get the left and right turn signals going. Yep, there it's working. That's the right turn signal, left turn signal, it's working. And then we'll turn that off. And now I'll turn on my park lights. Park lights are on, and that's my park lights. So real easy little tester to make. It verifies that it works. This is my left turn signal, and this indicates that it is the left turn signal working. Okay, let's go flip it over to right. Got my right turn signal and my right turn signal. So everything works fine. Last thing to check is the brake lights. I got my brake lights are on, and down here it's got the left and right turn signals are on, so brake lights. I had to come back to this because basically what happened was I put on the emergency flashers, but the emergency flashers on this car flash the turn signals, which are yellow LEDs. They don't flash the brake lights. So, thank you for watching.